UVeye automatic vehicle inspection sees what human eyes miss underneath a vehicle and for tire and wheel inspections, and UVeye does it in seconds. Helios and Artemis from UVeye make the most of your service space, your customer experience, your technician talent. Automate your trade-in appraisal process and deliver the most for your bottom line. What if the vehicle drop-off was more than just a drop-off? What if it were a diagnostic experience? The check-in can be used to show a customer unknown issues. The readout is right there, right then. This enables you to pick up additional business and deliver back a safer and more well-maintained car. And with issues revealed sooner, a tech can focus on fixing things rather than finding them. Get a better vehicle flow from the get-go. Avoid backlogs, turn vehicles quicker, catch issues for trade-ins to improve resale profits, and more. All backed by top-notch reporting data to stock the right parts and streamline your operations. Helios and Artemis, embedded with an artificial intelligence drive powered by computer vision technology. Unprecedented visibility, so you can see what you've been missing. UVeye Automatic Vehicle Inspection.